In front of me is TCL Plex, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by opening settings and hitting sound. Then select ringtone and vibrate over here, and adjust vibrations for incoming calls thanks to this switcher next to also vibrate for calls for SIM 1 and SIM 2. Then go back, scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to vibrate on touch to disable or enable touch feedback. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!